Now that you have a good understanding of normal sinus rhythm, we can go through a handful of rhythms very quickly. They're just variations of a normal sinus rhythm. The first one is sinus tachycardia. Tachy just means fast. Tachycardia means rapid heart. So we still have a sinus rhythm. It's still the SA or sinus node that is in charge, and that's evidenced by a P wave. And I'll point out some P waves here. We've got a P wave right there, and right there. And you can see it repeats over and over again. We've got a QRS that is what we like to call nice and tight. QRS starts here and ends there. It looks like probably about 2 small boxes. And so this would be about 0.08 seconds. The PR interval, let's take this one, goes from right here to right there. Looks like about 3.5 boxes, so we're talking maybe 0.14 or 0.14. The rhythm, if we check this one from this QRS to this one, we get 2.5 boxes. From this one to this one is 2.5 boxes, 2.5 over and over again. So if we use our 300 method, that would mean from here to here, 300, from here to here, 150, from here to here is 100. It's about halfway in between 150 and 100, so I'm going to call it 125. That's really all there is to sinus tachycardia. Of course, we've all been in sinus tachycardia before. Anytime we get scared, we exercise, run up and down the stairs or whatever, our heart has to keep up with the demand for more oxygen by pumping more blood. So it does this by increasing both the strength of its contraction as well as the rate. The rate for sinus tachycardia will be, it has to be above 100. If it isn't above 100, it's not sinus tachycardia, it's normal sinus rhythm. Once you get above 150, 175, 200, depending on the person's age and their physical fitness level, it's probably not a sinus rhythm anymore. If you have someone with a heart rate of 300 beats a minute, that's not the SA node in charge. Something pathologic, something bad has happened. So usually sinus tachycardia will be anywhere from 100 to say 200. And the older we get, the lower that 200 is, and 100 to 150, something like that. So again, it is a sinus rhythm evidenced by that normal PR interval tight QRS. Its rate somewhere between 100 and 200 probably, and the rhythm is regular, indicating that the SA node is in charge.